For the love of cars. Today I have one of my very first students in 2020 that wants to learn how. He already knows how to drive an automatic, but he wants to make sure that he knows how to drive a manual car. Now, like I said, this is the process. It's basic. I'm telling you, but he's also getting it, right? So you're starting a manual car, the keys are out as you can see. You get your keys, the gear, if you can shift a little to the gear lever. The gear is in free. This is what they call free. It can move right and left freely without pressure. The handbrake is up. The clutch pedal, like I showed you last time, if you didn't see it, go back to our video number 2 where we talked about the difference between a manual and an automatic car. So you press the clutch, you press the brake pedal, and then you start your car, right? When you start your car like this, you engage gear number 1, you remove the handbrake, and you let the brakes go, and the car will start to move. Yes, we are moving. That's how it moves. Now, the science with the manual car is simple. How do you balance the clutch pedal with the accelerator? That's the science. It's basic. And with time, as you drive it, it becomes part of you. So it's in number 1. Naturally, we press the brake pedal, the clutch pedal, and we engage number 2. And right now we are on a slope. So we engage number 3. I'm just trying to show you number 4 and number 5. Now, normally on a slope, this is the biggest advantage of a manual car. You can actually let it roll on its own. The way I'm doing right now, you put the car, the gear lever into free, no gear engaged, and you let everything go apart from the brakes and the steering wheel. Yeah, that's the biggest advantage. So, right now, after this slope, what we're going to do is we're going to give our student Rogers to actually come and start doing what I've been doing. When I'm doing it, it seems very easy, right? It's not. So he's his key is out. He's going to start the car. I want to see you press the clutch pedal and the brakes. Where's the clutch and the brakes? Is the car in free? Yes. So let's start. Let's go over the process like we have gone through them. He has started the car. As you can see, the rev is at 1000 revs per minute. And then he will engage gear number 1. Yes, and then he will let go of, he will disengage the handbrake, and then yes, we'll see him start to move. Yeah, that's it. He's more confident. I want you to know that he's on a very busy road. There are kids and a woman front. So I want to see him stop driving in number 1 and then engaging number 2. Okay, let's leave it on number 1 for now, since we are going on a hill. Yeah, that's how you drive a manual car. Yeah, I have a very fast student. Okay, right now if it were me driving, I would put in number 2, but you can't. let's first finish this very steep. Okay, now engage number 2. Clutch, number 2. Yes. Right now, I would engage number 3, clutch, number 3, yes. And right now, don't go this, yes. And right now, I'll engage number 4, clutch, number 4, yes. And right now, it's a slope. I would put in free and just go down, just using my handbrake, my brake, sorry. Yes. I think we have successfully taught someone how to drive a manual car. If he has shifted up to number 4 without the car, the engine going off, then that's a success. So we're going up to the hill. He's going to slope, and then we'll go up to the hill, and then we'll get him to tell us what how easy it is to drive a manual car and the advice he has for people that probably haven't driven. There is a government car coming. Engage number 1 and go. Number 1, engage number 1. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Yes. So let's go. Number 1. I would engage number 2 now. Yes, I would engage number 3. Number 3. That's number 4. That's not number 3. That's number 4 still. Okay, engage number 2 now. Go. You need to be you need to press the accelerator hard because it's a hill. It's a hill. Press it hard, hard, hard. That's not hard enough. This is a very powerful car. Yes. Yes. And right now, the car is asking for number 3. Give it number 3. Not number 4, number 3. Give it number 3. Okay, leave it at number 2. You're late. It's going to... Okay. Yeah. I think my job is done.